they say. Islam begins with purity. It starts from the home. Clean heart, clean room, wherever I roam. A Muslim keeps order, no chaos in sight. Even in the dark, we still bring light. Cleanliness is not just what we see. It's part of faith, it's part of me. Every corner, every space I keep, even when I rest, even when I sleep. Sweep the floor, let the dust go away, because angels don't settle where dirt will stay. I make my space calm, I make it pure. That's a believer's life, that is the cure. Simple or rich, it's never about gold, it's about peace. In the space that you hold, even a small room can feel like a throne when remembrance